Good morning and welcome. Thank you for being with us today. It has been 1 year since our last presentation. The Big Bang was a major turning point. The moment when we presented the industrialized TUC.technology after 5 years of investment, research and development. 1 year in which we have made possible the impossible. And you might have wondered what happens after that moment. And that's precisely why we are here today. It was an exciting time for all of us at TUC.technology. We began strategic collaboration with some of the top players in the industry, highlighted by the recent December announcement of our collaboration with Hyundai Motor Group Open Innovation Platform 01 for a roadmap of development of modular and human-centric vehicles. And this was just the beginning. TUC 3.0 has shined in the TUC Nest in all its potential and in our crazy city car, which can switch from right to left-hand drive with a simple gesture, embodying what TUC.technology represents for the industry. Today we are in a critical era for mobility, an industry undergoing complete transformation. And TUC.technology emerged as a cutting-edge solution essential for developing the next generation of vehicles. We invented TUC to shift the concept of the vehicle from a defined product to a definable experience over time, envisioning a world where vehicles, through a modular design, become dynamic services to support the society. A conceptual change capable of completely redesigning the vehicles and all its value chain. We empower this revolution thanks to what we will announce today, the missing piece. And here we are, in a vehicle disposal center. But why do we start from the end? Because only by observing the end that we can rewrite the entire story. And that's exactly what we are going to do. Globally, every year, over 27 million vehicles reach the end of their use and are processed in centers like this one. The dismelting process of a traditional vehicles, being solid and predefined, require very fragmented and complex processes, especially in the disassembly of the all-on-board components. And this is due to technological fragmentation that create complexity in the R&D phase due to versioning without standardization. And here we have the first great benefit of TUC.technology. A universal and standardized connection system that gives lives to vehicles designed to be disassembled and customized from their birth to their rebirth. And this happens here, in the emblematic birthplace of a traditional vehicle, currently not in use. This site represents the current production logics of a mass-produced vehicles. Well-defined but rigid scheme and sequences that are impossible to alter in any way, often useful only for producing one single vehicle model. And here lies the second great benefit that TUC.technology brings to the industry. Thanks to TUC standard connection and plug-and-play fastening capabilities, a modular quick assembly system is created that revolutionizes production, making it more accessible just in time and ready for future needs, bringing enormous industrial advantages. A huge reduction in production facility space by over 14% and nearly halved the production cost. But the true magic of TUC is the ability to reinvent the vehicle life cycle. From the moment it leaves the factory, every single stage of vehicle existence became part of the renewed user experience. A journey enabling new and profitable business model that will impact the site where the third major benefit of TUC.technology comes to life, a dealership. The venue that acts as a critical meeting point between manufacturers and consumers, currently structured around the sales and management of a traditional vehicles, solid, without any customization option and with significant repair complexity. Even as a vehicle software update progress, hardware update in the physical world remain impossible, a fact clearly illustrated by the chaos of this situation. Thanks to TUC's ability to standardize interfaces between the vehicles and its components, the dealership evolved beyond its traditional function, transforming it into temporary factories, highly flexible and customizable. Here, families can customize the vehicle for specific needs, for example, urban driving or adapting the vehicle for disabilities, all with a simple gesture. Thanks to TUCs, the dealer can become the reference point for the whole life cycle of the vehicle and future updates. Through holistic lifecycle management, TUC.technology marks the definitive overcoming of the past limitation, opening a new era of modular and simpler vehicle. But now is the moment to unveil the magic of TUC.technology. Welcome back to the TUC Hub, the epicenter of innovation. Our vision today is more tangible than ever, enriched by a new and significant element, an element that elevates TUC.technology to the next level. And now, follow my gaze.
Information, making me question our relation to the nation, our religion, supersonic, my existence can't resist us. Clearly I find myself living inside a shell. All of these pages can't help. Got all my introspect, mirrors they don't reflect all of the things that we do. My existence. Supersonic, my existence can't resist it, can't resist it. Supersonic.
The future unfolds right before our eyes. Introducing TUC Tiny, the cornerstone of a new era in mobility, elegantly integrated in tomorrow's dashboard. This isn't just an innovation, it's a symphony of electronics, mechanics and software, distilled into a single compact marvel of technology. The art of TUC.technology beat within this tiny titan, redefining what's possible. TUC Tiny isn't just another piece of tech, it is a pillar of transformation, the true mobility USB, universal and boundless. In this moment of revelation, I ask, I see, Will you join me in unlocking the doors to this new world? It's incredible, a single gesture to safely assemble vehicle components with the freedom to change at any moment. TUC.technology introduces an unprecedented modularity and opens a new value chain, as demonstrated by this example of temporary factory of the future, developed in collaboration with KUKA, a global leader in robotics. TUC.technology, the smallest member of our lineup, is the turning point that democratizes our technology, making it accessible and even easier to integrate. This compact dynamo connects two worlds. It brings the simplicity of consumer technology with the USB Type-C integration into the robust domain of industrial vehicle communication. Welcome to the future. Welcome to the era of billions of possibilities. Ladies and gentlemen, you are witnessing the future of user experience for modular vehicles powered by TUC.technology. Thanks to the collaboration with Made in Verse by Esiste Group, we have created the store of the future, just a click away. With TUC.technology, the vehicle becomes a space that can be endlessly reconfigured, creating environments ranging from the essentiality of integrating one's personal devices to top version with the high-level device. Just a single gesture for everyone, robot included. Imagine the impact of this flexibility in a chain that finally becomes interconnected in a true circular economy perspective, with temporary factory that can become showrooms and vice versa. For the first time, disassembled will be as easy as assembled, just a single gesture. I'm extremely proud of our team that has made everything I present today possible. At the beginning, I summarize all the greatest opportunities that TUC has, but there is something more exciting on the horizon. These represent the beginning of a new journey, the beginning of a new pioneering project, of an HMI simulator powered by TUC and crafted by VGrade. And it's also the beginning of a new revolution for the zero prototyping technologies in the R&D of the vehicles. TUC.technology is not merely a product, it's a revolution. The world's smallest yet most potent mechanical, electrical and electronic interface, encapsulating within the most compact microcar ever in the market. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourself for the unveiling of the first Estrema Bureau powered by TUC. That's incredible! Ready to offer millions of possibilities in series and aftermarket, thanks to the integration of our beautiful TUC.technology interface, as you can see here. And now the magic happens. Because with a simple gesture, I can plug and connect this beautiful HMI. Here we have the new experience in a urban mobility, in a just-in-time way. And this will be ready and very soon available on the market. This example demonstrates the beautiful integration and feasibility of our technology also in a urban vehicle. And now, the revolution has begun. Our mantra is connecting world, deeply embedded in our technology. And when I speak about world, I truly mean world beyond our imagination. This is crazy, because all the technology you discovered today in the automotive world will be available and scaled in the aerospace sector, as you can see. And this is made possible thanks to our collaboration with TUC, a leading company in the Italian and international aerospace panorama. This is the base to build and develop the future of aerospace vehicle powered by TUC. Welcome to the space. Our ambition is to push the boundaries of possibilities with our technology and vision to foresee the future. As I leave this stage, I invite you to reflect on our vision of connecting worlds. A world where technology connects, unifies, and opens up infinite possibilities. TUC.technology is not only a simple innovation, is a deep thought translated into technology to truly change the products. Stay tuned. The primary objective of a deep tech company is to push the boundaries of technological knowledge, addressing complex problems and making significant contributions to global technological advancements. At our core is the belief in connecting worlds. Connecting worlds embodies our design philosophy embracing infinite possibilities. It inspires us to embrace an open and expansive mentality in an ever-evolving world, allowing us not only to discover new paths, but also to tackle complex challenges with ingenuity, versatility, and a profound sense of care. For us, connection is more than just a tool for individuals. It serves as a gateway to limitless exploration and applications. Connecting worlds is an invitation to connect people to create something truly significant. Connecting worlds serves as a catalyst for innovation, encouraging the combination of different ideas. Connecting worlds reflect the importance of connection within a community of inventors. We believe in the synergic integration of design, technology, and process. The interconnection of these three worlds forms an harmonious approach to shape successful solutions. Our goal is to develop complex and technological products that are not only brilliant in their simplicity, but also contribute deeply to the society. We see what others don't see. We create cutting-edge solutions. We connect worlds.